Hello everyone. Today's topic is transitive and intransitive verbs. Don't worry, it is easier than it sounds. What is a verb? Let's start with the basics. A verb is a word that shows action or state of being. For example, run, eat, dance, sleep, is, are, and many more. Did you know? Some verbs need an object whereas some don't. Here where transitive and intransitive verb comes in. Transitive verb. A transitive verb is a verb that needs an object to complete its meaning. For example, the boy kicked the ball. Here, kicked is an action, so it is a verb. So here you can ask question, what did he kick? The ball. That is an object. So whenever there is an object in the sentence, along with the verb is called transitive verb. Intransitive verb. An intransitive verb does not need an object, the action is complete by itself. For example, the girl laughed loudly. Here, laughed is the verb. As there is no object and the sentence still makes sense, the verb is called intransitive verb. Same verb, different use. For example, when the verb is same but used differently. Here, she sings beautifully. Sings is the verb. It is intransitive verb as there is no object. But when you see second example, she sings songs. Here, the verb is same but here it is transitive verb as song is the object here. Here's a tip. To find an object in a sentence, ask what or whom after the verb. If you get an answer, it is transitive. If not, intransitive. For example, she bought a dress. Here, bought is a verb. What she bought? A dress. So you got an answer for it. It is transitive verb. So dress is the object, so it becomes transitive verb. Here's a quiz for you all. Can you tell if these are transitive or intransitive? Comment down below. Here are a few questions. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Sujata Teaches. Thank you.